Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. We're back again with another upgrade to the F-150. This time we're going to be installing these Xenower LED lights. I went ahead and purchased this kit off of Amazon. It's a high and low beam combo kit. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what we got inside here. Okay, so upon opening the box, you see that they give you a set of gloves. I'm assuming that's so that you don't touch the LEDs. They give you some zip ties, some double-sided tape, their warranty, installation guide. So here are the bulbs. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here, careful. So, like I mentioned, I purchased a high and a low beam combo kit. I went with the 9005 or the 9005 for the high beam, and I think that says it somewhere on here. Yeah, so these are the ones with the right here. These ones are the 9005s, and these ones with this ring are the H11s. So the 9005s again are the high beam. The H11s are the low beam. So let's go ahead and get these installed in the truck, and then we'll take a look. Alright guys, so here we are back at the truck. We're going to be installing the headlights, the high beam and the low beam on the truck. So in order to get the job done, all you need is a socket with a 5.5 millimeter socket on it, and all you're going to do is you're going to untake this one right down here, this one right here, one right here on the fender well, and then there's this one right here. We can go ahead and do that one first because all you're going to do is twist it and then it'll pull right out. So let's go ahead and get these taken off. Alright, so once you have all those taken off, like I said, you're just going to want to pull on this. You can pop this one right here in the back out. And again, that's just a little pop in with a little twist, so you can hold on to that. And then you're going to want to go ahead and just bend this back here. So once you bend this back, you'll see you'll be able to get up underneath here. And right here you have the high beam down here, and then you have the low beam up there on the top. So you just want to pull these dust covers off. Just like this, right? So it pops off. And the other one, let me see if I can get it up in there. The other one's up here kind of high. Pull that one off as well. So then for the high beam down here on the bottom, you're just gonna pop, there's a little tab, you just pop it out and pull it down. And then you just twist it, and then it'll come right out. It should come right out. There we go. So there's that one. We'll go ahead and set it right here on the dust cover. And then up on the top one, I know it's a little hard to see up in there, but that one's got a little clip you just push in. So let me see if I can get that. And again, like I said, this one's got a little clip that right here, all you do is you push the clip in right below this, and then it pops down. So now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put on our gloves that they give us here. I know these gloves are already a little dirty. I already did the other side, so that way I could make this tutorial. Sorry about that, the battery died. So your top one here is going to be your low beam, which is the H11. So we'll go ahead and put that one in first. you can see right here. Just want to put that in and then twist it until it locks. Again, really quickly, guys, I can show you. This is the one right here that all you're going to do is you're going to plug this one in right here. So again, that just clips in. And the same thing with this one right here. This one's a little easier to see. So go ahead and put this one in right here. Guys, after a few minutes, got that put in there. Sorry about that. So now what we're going to do is, this one's a little easier. You can see all you're going to do is clip these ones right here in, and then just tuck all that back in there and then put it back together. So I'll go ahead and put those dust covers on and I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like.